In this video, we will gonna be learning the variables, the most important part of any programming language, the variables, the most often used and most useful stuff in any programming. So let's just get started. As you have seen the constants, there is a more powerful and more usable stuff which called variables. As you know that we use constant and variables just for the temporary use. Once the script got closed or end, the value won't be there. So that's the thing. The only difference between variables and constant is the variable value. As you can see, the name variable, which means diversity between them, the changes. So in variables, while a script is running, we can still change the value of any variable. So let's just see it. First of all, let me show you how to define a variable. So defining a variable is very simple. All you have to do is to use the dollar sign and whatever name you want. For instance, var or whatever name you want to give, and you can add any special character except the underscore. This is the only special character you use to define the name, and the variable value is again like case sensitive. So if you write abc, you will use entire time abc. If you will use dollar abc like that, it won't work because there's a difference. Like the same in here, constant, as I told you. So let's just get started. To define a variable, let's say name, and we will assign some value to it. Again, I was gonna say for us. So we just assign the value name. Let's just comment it for now, and instead of name, let me just replace it with name constant. Okay, save it, go back here. You see, it just changed to for us. The second thing, that the power of variable. Now as you can see, we just defined for us here, but what, let me just copy this one and paste it here and here as well. I want to say name would be Ali. Save it, go back here. Oh, wait a second, I didn't put the br. It is the HTML tag we use to make a line break. See, save it, go back, and here we are. You see, first line, the first echo is showing Faraz, but the other two are showing Ali. Isn't that great? Yes, it is. Let me add another break so it will make two line breaks. Now if I wanted to change the name Ali to John, I don't even want to use Ali for now, so it will be John. You see, while script is running, we can still change the value of any variable. You will learn in later videos how the program works. You will see tons of times that you will gonna have to change the value of variable according to the requirement and programs. So this is the most important thing, guys. Variables in any programming is the most important part. So this is it. This is the variable. Hope you guys understand it. We're gonna learn in later videos.